Among those sentenced to death is 26-year-old protester Erfan Soltani. His execution is scheduled for January 14th, 2026, just days after his arrest during the protests. Reports indicate that the execution will be carried out by hanging, with some of the executions possibly conducted publicly in accordance with Islamic law. Aditya, again, very shocking details, very chilling details coming our way as far as developments in Iran are concerned. The executions, of course, we're talking about a 26-year-old person who was a protester. He's now to face execution on 14th January. What more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely. The Iranian, the supreme leader, the top leaders in the Iranian establishment have said that, if the protesters do not stop protesting now, they will be publicly executed. And, this is what is happening to this 27-year-old protester. It is very, very unfortunate incident. Many global human rights organizations are, watching and definitely are seeing how the situation in Gulf in Iran. There's been a lot of widespread criticism about the Iranian regime as to how the way they are tackling the situation. And currently, if you see, from here on, it needs to be seen whether there could be a possible stop, because some of the Iranian leaders are claiming that, the situation in Iran is very, very normal, and definitely at this juncture, completely, it is a matter of concern which needs to be seen. And it's from here on, there are concerns because, if you see, the sanctions can already, Iran is, troubled due to the crippling sanctions that America has imposed on Iran. So definitely, the situation is very, very tense, and it needs to be seen how things unfold in this scenario. Asavri.
Right, absolutely. Stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in. According to a human rights organization, Erfan Soltani's family was informed of his death sentence on January 11th and allowed only a brief 10-minute visit. Reports say Soltani was denied access to a lawyer, a fair trial, or any opportunity to appeal, raising serious concerns that this may be the first in a potential wave of rapid executions aimed at crushing dissent in Iran. Aditya continues to be with us on the broadcast. Aditya, that's shocking to know that, there was a 10-minute visit by the family of Erfan Soltani, no access to lawyer, no fair trial, no opportunity to appeal. And again, it raises those concerns with regards to what's going to happen next as far as executions are concerned.
Well, definitely, as far as the executions are concerned, definitely there is a very, very sorry situation that is engulfing in Iran. Definitely, these executions are being justified by the Iranian regime, which is not at all justified. That is why, the human rights situation, the human rights organization are also looking the entire situation in a very concerning manner. And definitely from here on, whether there will be a U.S. intervention in this, the reports also suggest, that there are some reports that Israel is also, the Israeli spy agency, intelligence agency, Mossad is also behind, fueling these protests in Iran. But definitely, all these things are, just going viral, and, considering the, this statement by the public, declaring the public execution, this is something which absolutely needs to be seen. This is not at all desirable, because anywhere in the world, there is no justification for killing, for public execution. So entire to this, due to this, all the human rights, organizations are criticizing the move by the Iranian leadership.
All right, Aditya, more news. Stay on with us. We have more news coming our way in other updates coming in from Iran.